My name is Hina Lutia. I'm a chartered accountant. I qualified in 2015, so it's been almost 3 years now. And currently, I'm teaching. So I teach to 11th, 12th standard students and students who are pursuing CA course. So basically, foundation students like giving the entrance exam. I also work as a M&A advisor, that is merger and acquisition. I cleared my IFRS exam in December 17, and I got around 73 on 100. Yeah. So the experience was fantastic because generally you feel that you will go in lecture and it would be boring because the duration is quite high, like 8 hours a day, since it's a weekend batch. But it was completely opposite of what I thought. It was very fun loving, and at the end of 8 hours I used to never feel that I'm tired or something like that. The teaching methodology is what I actually loved the most because they'll teach you right from the basic, that is journal entry, to the way of presenting it in the financial statement and disclosing in the financial statement. So that actually clears and covers everything. So that teaching methodology is quite good and very nice actually, and they're quite friendly. So if you have even some doubts or queries, so you don't hesitate to ask them, you can ask them in the lecture. And one more great thing about them is at the end of each topic, they'll just summarize everything and they will clearly tell you the differences between IGAP, Ind AS, and IFRS, which actually helps you because all three standards is what creates confusion. So it becomes very easy since they highlight that what are the differentiating factors. Both of them have extensive experience in IFRS as well as Ind AS implementation. So, like within the classes, they would tell you that this is how we actually practically implemented. So it helps to relate, and then you also think that when you would go back to the office and start implementing it, what you would be facing. So it completely becomes very relatable. So my experience was quite good. So it is very helpful in teaching also. At the same time, I am not into statutory audit or internal audits, but yet in my M&A advisory also it really helps because in case of listed companies, their balance sheets are now all IFRS compliant or Ind AS compliant, I would say. So it becomes, if you know the knowledge of Ind AS and IFRS, you exactly know what is happening in the balance sheet. So it is extremely helpful in practical world also and while teaching also. My personal preference is personal teaching, but yet pen drives become very convenient, considering that we have jobs like for students also who are pursuing CA course, they have to do articleship. For people who are qualified, they are having jobs, so it becomes difficult to at times manage batch timings. So, like convenience, considering convenience, it is very good.